All right, so this right here is basically where this whole thing got started. I took a prompt that I had Claude write for me in a regular Claude chat, pasted it into Claude Cowork, and that was the starting point for building out this entire automated content pipeline. And in this video, I'm just going to walk you through what I built, how it actually works, and show you the real output from the first test run. So the reason that I used Cowork instead of just a regular Claude chat is that Cowork can actually write and save files directly to your machine. That's a big deal for something like this because building an agent pipeline isn't just conversation. There are actual files that need to exist, configs that need to be written. Everything needs to be structured in a specific way. Doing back and forth in a regular chat and then copy and pasting everything manually would have been a nightmare. With Cowork, I could basically describe what it was that I wanted to do and it would go and build it. Files written, structure set up, ready to run. That's what made this actually doable. So you can see here, this is the original prompt that I gave to Cowork right here. With the whole, everything laid out. That was the prompt that Claude had wrote for me from the regular chat. So this is the OpenClaw dashboard. And these are the 5 agents that make up the pipeline. There's a main agent that coordinates everything. And then there's these 5 sub-agents. Each one has a specific job. The way I built these out is I already had the searcher agent from something I was working on before. So I repurposed that one for this workflow. The ones I built fresh were the scriptwriter agent, the video agent, the Q&A agent, and the publisher agent. And then I just updated the searcher agent at the very end. And then here's how they work together is the searcher finds the topic, the scriptwriter agent turns it into a script, the Q&A agent reviews it before anything gets produced, the video agent generates the actual video, and the publisher agent packages up the output, the video, the captions, the descriptions formatted for each platform, and sends it to me. I'm still posting manually right now while I make sure that everything is working the way that I want it to. And then you can see here, this is the first prompt that I gave my main agent for building out the first sub agent. Pretty long prompt. Prompts came from the Claude Cowork, which just put it in there for me to copy and paste right into here. And you can see here, it spun it up and it's done. One thing worth mentioning is that all of these agents right here are running on OpenAI Codex GPT 5.4, which are models that are running through my existing ChatGPT subscription. So I'm not making any separate API calls and getting charged every time something runs. That was important to me because the whole point of building something like this is to make things more efficient, not to rack up a bill every time the pipeline fires. So getting to that setup took some back and forth with Cowork, took multiple attempts to get it right, and a few things needed to be fixed more than once. But that's just the reality of building something like this. It's not always going to be clean on the first try. My first time setting something like this up. So it took me a little bit to get it all set up and running. And then, like I said, these are the agent prompts right here. And then let me just get to the bottom here. If you guys want, comment down below and I'll give you guys like my prompts that I used to spin up my agents. Coming down here, you can see this is, right here. This is the output from the first test run. You can see what the publisher agent actually sent back, the captions, the video descriptions formatted for each platform, all of it. One thing I did have to fix after this test run was the video output was giving me this file path right here instead of a web URL that I could actually just click and download. And because of, like, I'm going to probably end up posting a lot of these from my phone and not from my Mac Mini. So it's really important for me that it sends the videos especially for while I'm posting myself, as like just the video link, like the URL link, so I could actually click and download it. So I went back into Cowork and I had it update so that going forward, it sends me the proper link, just the kind of detail that matters when you're trying to make this actually usable. But other than that, it ran, the pipeline fired, the agents did their jobs, and the output came back in the right format. For a first test run, that's exactly what you want to see. So that's where things are at. The pipeline's built, it's tested, and now I'm running it for real while I keep an eye on the output before I hand over the posting side of things completely. I'm going to keep documenting this as it develops, and I want to make sure that what I'm putting out is actually useful. So drop a comment, tell me what you'd want to see more of. Is it more of the build process and how these pipelines actually get put together, the behind the scenes of what worked and what didn't, or just broader AI automation stuff, tools, workflows I'm actually using? Drop a comment, even just a word or two, and I'll actually use it to figure out what to make next. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.